Hey, what's up? Alan here with Damn Good Reviews. So right here I have a 2016 Jeep Wrangler Sport. You see it's the 4-door, but what we want to do is we want to go ahead and we want to put a cover on this. So you can see the cover right here. This is the Bordan cover. It's got like that camo looking colors there, some brown and black and all that. Should be pretty simple to put on. Comes in this pretty cool carry case, so if you don't want to use it, want to store it, you can easily do that. So let's go ahead and open that up. Get an idea of what this looks like. And the quality is, it feels almost like a plastic type fabric. It does seem like it is waterproof. You can see that pattern continues the whole way there. It also comes with a little lock as well as a fastener with that to keep it all in place. Some reflective gear on it, so if it's covered because it is camo, if you have it outside, then you don't have to worry about anything. And that actually looks like here must be for the rear view mirror, I would guess, right? The way it pops out. Let's see what this looks like here. And they do have it in the 2-door version too. See how it fits right there. It also has a zipper, so you can easily open that up and get in the door if you needed to get something. And it does have these little connectors to help tie it down to where you need it. So if you want to go around the wheel, you could do that. The other great thing about this is not only is it fitted for this size, but look at that, it has elastic. So once you put it on the car, then it pretty much snaps to where it needs to and will stay right in place. Again, on this side here, you have these, you can tie it around the rim. Coming back on this side, you can see these for the rear view mirrors, and you have a little bit of a safety color there. And then if you want to go ahead and just pull this down, and I'll show how that fits. Pretty nice. You saw that snap in place. And then you also have this here in the front, so if you have it parked out on the street, I guess you have that little bit of safety, right? The element of safety that someone's going to see the reflector on that, because it is camouflage. Right, if we didn't have that, it could just disappear potentially into the street. So that right there is the Bordan cover for the 4-door Jeep Wrangler. Again, this is a 2016. To show you also in the case here, it has a couple little extra tie downs, a little thank you, and then the wire and a lock. You can see here, you have that little connector, which you can use this one here and run it totally underneath the car to keep it, so if you're outside, the wind doesn't pick it up and, you know, take it away. So you would do that on the tires and then also underneath. But overall, I think the quality is really nice. It is waterproof, and having the zipper here is a really great thing. Just go ahead, open that up, show them. See that? And then makes it nice and easy where you can get even in the back or in the front door of the car. And then when you're done and you're ready to just shut it down, just zip it right back up and you are good to go. Awesome. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here. Click that little bell icon to stay up to date with everything I do. And I'll see you all real soon.